Let's talk about wholesale real estate, where you can buy a house worth $400,000 for $320,000 or $300,000. That's $80,000 to $100,000 in profit potential, and where you can get all the money you need to fund these deals. This is Tyrus Gross, author of the book, Get the Deals Now. I've been flipping houses for over 27 years, and I know what it takes to be successful. Chapter 1 of my book is about how to find wholesalers and buy their wholesale deals. There's also a chapter about using private lenders so that you can get all the cash you need to buy these wholesale deals. And I've included a chapter about where to put your rehab dollars so that when your buyers walk through the house, they're really impressed and they really want to buy it. There's a chapter on selling your houses really quickly, and chapter 11 is a bonus section, and it's all about using land trust to protect yourself against frivolous lawsuits. It was created by an experienced real estate attorney that was paid over $1,000, and the land trust was designed specifically for real estate investors. The book is totally free. Leave your credit card in your pocket. All I need is your name and email address, and the book is yours. I want you to achieve massive success. I don't want you to struggle. When I started out, I struggled for 6 years, and I don't want you to struggle. I want you to succeed. The next move is yours. Enter your name and email address, and the book is yours. Have an excellent day and be successful. To get your copy of my book for free, go to freebook.getthedealsnow.com, and I look forward to helping you successfully flip houses.